Hey, y'all ready to get crafty? Are y'all ready for the best crafted y'all have ever seen on this channel? I mean, it might be. So you gotta stick around and find out.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Cheryl, the activity author, and I am so happy to be back, y'all. Last week, the struggle. I had hard drive issues. My hard drive crashed, y'all, my external hard drive. So I'm still working on that, but I lost a lot of content. Sad day. So I actually had this video planned for y'all, but it was on that hard drive, so I had to remake this video. So I'm just saying. So that is why we did not have a video last Sunday. But guys, I'm excited to share this author with you because why? You guys have seen her before. Yes, do y'all remember Miss Angel? Yeah, from the book right here. Yeah, and the video right here. You do remember her. Okay, great. Because we have another one from her, and I really love this book, y'all. So today's book is called It's Cool to Be Me by Angel Reynolds, illustrated by Adu Hernandez.
And I'm so ready to tell y'all about this book, but guess what, guys? I gotta show you the craft first. I'm so excited for y'all to see what we came up with this book. So I'm gonna give you the craft and then stick around after the craft and I'll tell y'all more about the book, okay? All right, so y'all already know what I'm about to say. Let's go ahead and say it together. Let's get crafty.
In the book, Bryce needed to see that he was the trophy. He was talking about getting trophies and wanting trophies in this case. And I was like, you know what? Let's make a trophy. So we started out with the paper plate, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a trophy out of just using a paper plate. If you don't want to paint, you guys can use markers. That is fine. But my daughter is doing this all by herself, and she is 5 years old. So just follow along, and I'm sure you guys are going to get it. All right, so did y'all follow along? Does it make sense? Y'all got it? So to take this a little further, we made some confetti and we had some stickers. So, you know, you guys can put your child's name on the trophy and you can just get them to have the confetti coming out the top. So we're going to do that to just take this the extra mile. Now, this step is optional, but, you know, if you want to, you know, take it to another level, add confetti.
Yeah, I told y'all that craft was great, didn't I? That was worth the wait, and I know y'all gonna make that today because it's gonna be so great. So guys, when y'all make it though, I wanna see it. Please, 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 please take pictures and tag me on my Instagram so I can find out about your craft and shout your child out and just post them on my stories and just celebrate their wonderful hard work. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So yeah, I didn't forget. I'm gonna tell y'all more about the book that inspired this craft. Let's go.
It's Cool to Be Me is a fun-filled book that takes you, the reader, on a journey of self-confidence, self-empowerment, and self-discovery. We're going to join Bryce as he discovers his true talent beyond sports and fully embracing the qualities that make him unique. Through this story, It's Cool to Be Me, children are encouraged to never give up and try new things. This appreciation for their unique abilities promote positive self-esteem and teaches children that it is cool to be me. You guys will get some bonus material included into this powerful affirmation book, and young children can repeat those affirmations with their parents and teachers to reinforce their self-esteem and self-confidence. Y'all, I read this to a class that I am doing art with, and they love this book. So y'all got to drop down in the description box right now. Come on, show Angel some love and get this book, y'all. You will not be disappointed. And don't forget, watch the previous video that I did with Angel, Catch Yourself Up. So y'all, we're going to talk about the author real quick before we hop off of here now. So don't forget Miss Angel Reynolds. She created her publishing company called Never Forgotten Publishing, and it was created to boost like self-esteem, and they're like self-esteem books, and as a way for people to work through grief and loss that she was experiencing when she lost her younger brother to gun violence in 2020. So she wrote these books back in her dorm at Howard University, 20 years ago, and it still feels like a dream now that she is an author of these awesome books. So guys, definitely check out her social emotional needs books. She has 2 right now to my knowledge, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna crank out some more.
Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of this video. You guys are the real MVP. I promise y'all are. Y'all are the reason I do this. To help me out, why don't y'all share these videos? Because I know y'all got a friend out there that could definitely use some of these crafts. I know you know a teacher, babysitter, church, Sunday school teacher, anybody out there that loves creating with kids. This is the channel for them. So please share my video. And guys, make sure y'all drop down in the description box and check out today's author. Yeah. And last but not least, if you like what you saw here today, make sure you guys click on one of these 2 videos to keep the party going. And I will see you in that next video. Bye, y'all. Y'all like that one? I like that one. I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, I don't know about y'all. It was pretty dope.